how to log in Instagram password. Now what do you mean by this? Because first of all, the question is if you forgot the Instagram password, if you don't remember it, and how do you log in, right? So if you want to log in with your password but then you don't remember the password, first of all you open the Instagram app right here, and let's just say you know your username or email or mobile number where it was associated with, but you don't know your password. So first off, you can just see the forgot password button right below the login button. Tap on the forgot password button. Now simply enter the username or the email address under which it was associated with. So you can go ahead and then make sure to enter the username of your account. Tap on continue. It will give you different ways to actually reset your password or even log in without your password. So over here in my case, because my account was already logged in, it directly logged me in. But in your case, if your account wasn't logged in, it would basically send a verification code to either the SMS or your phone number or your email address, and once you've done that, you would be taken to the page where you'd have to choose a new password without having to remember your old password. And that's all it takes for you to log in using Instagram password. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.